The world envies Europeans and their sports cars and hot hatchbacks, which they can't have because of auto industry regulations. But there is a vehicle that the world would love to have, but most likely won't get. Yes, you guessed it right. It's the Volkswagen all-new stylish Multivan. So in today's video, we will take a look at the Volkswagen's new 7-seater. Before we begin, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel with notifications so you don't miss out when we make a new upload. Alright, let's dive in. The 2022 Volkswagen Multivan. Volkswagen has unveiled the new 2022 Multivan, which will replace the Caravelle with the latest styling details and more functionality. The Multivan, based on the German marque's MQBplatform, has a design that, according to its makers, pays homage to the DNA of its predecessors. Volkswagen has dropped the Caravelle name in order to highlight the MPV's extensive redesign and the fact that it is no longer sharing its underpinnings with the Transporter commercial van. It is now effectively a separate model, with the commercially focused Transporter variant due to be replaced by a Ford-built successor, twinned with the Transit. The 7-seater instead uses an enlarged version of the Volkswagen Group's MQBplatform, which is also used by the Seat Tarraco, Skoda Kodiaq, and Volkswagen Tiguan. This change paved the way for a series of groundbreaking technological, stylistic, and ergonomic improvements, as well as the MPV's first-ever plug-in hybrid engine. Performance. The Multivan eHybrid PHEV combines a 150 HP 1.4-liter turbocharged petrol engine with a 116 HP electric motor on the front axle for a total output of 218 HP with a 13 kWh battery under the floor, allowing for electric-only operation on short urban trips. Volkswagen estimates a maximum EV range of around 50 kilometers. There are also 1.5-liter and 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engines available, and a 204 HP diesel engine will be added to the lineup next year. While the PHEV has its own 6-speed dual-clutch transmission, the standard petrol models use a familiar 8-speed unit. Volkswagen has revealed the all-new Multivan, which features a new look, a more flexible interior, enhanced connectivity, and for the first time, a plug-in hybrid option. The VW Multivan replaces the present Volkswagen Caravelle, offering customers up to 7 seats and the ideal combination of practicality, comfort, and safety for all their needs. The Multivan has been given the new name to reflect the full redesign of its predecessor, while yet delivering the same adaptability to the Caravelle's devoted fan base. The new model will not be built on the Transporter platform, but on the Volkswagen Group's MQBplatform. Design. Along with mechanical updates, the 7-seater has been completely redesigned with an all-new exterior design that pays homage to the DNA of its predecessor, dating back to the 1985 Transporter T3 with a horizontal design line, two-tone livery, and full-width grille and headlights. To give it a modern and dynamic appearance, the A-pillars have been redesigned to improve vision, and the front and rear light signatures are distinctive. The front air intakes have been minimized and painted the same color as the car, paying tribute to the heritage of the rear air-cooled engines of the previous 3 generations, while showing the future of the hybrid powertrain. The Volkswagen Multivan has a width of 1,941 mm and a length of 4,973 mm, a height of up to 1,903 mm, and a wheelbase of 3,124 mm. A longer version with a length of 5,173 mm is also available. In LWB form, its dimensions are comparable to the Kia Carnival. Overall, the new generation has a longer wheelbase and a wider lower profile, which are designed to improve aerodynamics, reduce fuel consumption, and increase range. The vehicle comes with wheels up to 19 inches in 3 different configurations: Multivan, Life, and Style. Interiors and features. Volkswagen claims the Multivan's interior is more versatile and larger than its predecessor, including a new modular seating arrangement and multifunction table. The 5 back seats can be removed completely, and the second row can be rotated to create a social seating arrangement. Individual seats have been replaced with full-width bench seats in the 3rd row, allowing them to be removed for complete flexibility. For the new Multivan, a unique multifunction table has been designed. It can be moved between seating rows using the central track, and for the first time can be used as a center console between the front seats. The table is detachable and has an adjustable height, 3 cup holders, and a storage space. The entirely flat floor from front to rear seats with no center console, made possible by the removal of the traditional handbrake, enables the flexible seating and table track system. The parking brake is activated electronically through a button or automatically. The new Multivan is only available with an automatic DSG gearbox controlled by shift-by-wire technology, which means the gear stick has been removed to maximize occupant space, and controls have been ergonomically incorporated into the instrument panel. The standard model offers 469 liters of trunk space, which expands to 1,844 liters when the rearmost seats are removed. The overall load capacity up to the front seat is 3,672 liters and up to 4,053 liters in the longer version with the panoramic glass roof. The driver's compartment has also undergone substantial changes to bring the Multivan more in line with Volkswagen's newest models. Standard features include a new multifunctional steering wheel, a 10.25-inch digital instrument display, and a 10-inch infotainment touchscreen. A variety of modern safety features are also featured, including traffic sign recognition, lane keeping assistance, and automatic emergency braking. It also has the new IQ drive system that uses adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assistance features. The new Volkswagen Multivan is more flexible and spacious on the inside than ever before, thanks to the new modular, lightweight seating system and unique table. Connectivity and technology. The cockpit has been redesigned and a new multifunction steering wheel has been added to make operation as simple as possible. All major features of the new Multivan are now on one line of sight, with a secondary line for extra tasks. Touch controls provide immediate access to settings like air conditioning, seat heating, and audio volume. The 10.25-inch digital cockpit display and the 10.0-inch infotainment touchscreens are at the center. The new minimalist shift-by-wire DSG controls are located between the two on a gloss black surface. Next to this are the two USB-C ports as standard, as well as a tray for optional inductive smartphone charging, and a heads-up display is available for the first time on a VW commercial vehicles model. Ready to discover is the standard infotainment system, which has an integrated eSIM to provide online safety and convenience features. WeConnect is available for free for an unlimited period of time and includes services such as breakdown assistance, vehicle status, and parked position. WeConnect Plus, which is free for 3 years, offers additional services such as the ability to remotely lock and unlock the vehicle or activate the optional luxury heater by smartphone. WeConnect Plus includes additional navigation-related services such as online map updating and traffic information when used in conjunction with the more advanced optional Discover Media and Discover Pro navigation systems. WeConnect Plus also offers e-hybrid owners other options, such as the ability to preset the vehicle's interior temperature and supervise the charging process through a smartphone. All infotainment systems can be coupled with Multivan's exclusive Harman Kardon sound system, in addition to 14 high-end loudspeakers hidden behind precision laser-cut panels, a 16-channel Ethernet amplifier with 840 watts of music output, and 4 sound settings. The system employs the Fraunhofer Sonic Panorama algorithm, which is capable of separating out the individual sources of a stereo recording and evenly distributing them across a U-shaped acoustic stage to create the best sound. Safety. The VW Multivan has over 34 driver assist systems that improve safety, comfort, and convenience. The front assist area monitoring system is standard, and it incorporates city emergency braking, dynamic road sign display, and the lane assist system. Car2X enables local communication with other vehicles and highway infrastructure to provide warnings of any danger, side protection, crosswind assist, turn-off assist, which warns of any oncoming traffic when turning across a carriageway, and an exit warning system, which warns of any bicycles or vehicles approaching from behind when opening a door. The Volkswagen Multivan also introduces IQ Drive. Travel Assist combines predictive adaptive cruise control and lane assist to make long-distance trips easier and safer. Area View, a true 360-degree picture of the vehicle utilizing 4 cameras and shown on the 10-inch infotainment display, is also available on the new Multivan to make parking and maneuvering as safe and easy as possible. Price. Prices have not yet been announced, but the new Multivan will not be cheap. The The current generation Caravelle starts at the equivalent of $44,500 in Germany, and you can bet Volkswagen will charge a premium for the sleek new model's many added features. So the estimated rate for the 2022 Volkswagen Multivan will be from $63,090 to $92,290 across various models. With that, we've come to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. And also, what do you think of the new VW Multivan? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.